Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making exact nectar. Combine 1 part white granulated sugar with 4 parts water. Boil the water briefly to dissolve any impurities, then let it cool to room temperature before stirring in the sugar. Once mixed, pour into a clean feeder. This ratio mimics flower nectar and prevents harm. Make sure to avoid honey, brown sugar, or artificial sweeteners because they ferment or are toxic. You're now ready to position the feeder, where hummingbirds can see and access it easily. Next, prepare the feeder itself. Rinse and scrub with hot water only, ensuring no soap residue remains that could harm birds. Fill the feeder with the cooled nectar, seal it, and hang it 3 to 6 feet high in partial shade so the sugar solution stays fresher longer. Once done, place it near natural perches where hummingbirds can rest and keep it 6 to 10 feet from reflective glass to reduce collisions. Also, use red accents. They attract hummingbirds faster than plain feeders. Finish by establishing a maintenance routine. Replace the nectar every 3 to 5 days in warm weather and a bit less frequently when it's cool, because fermentation and mold happen quickly. When you change the solution, wash the feeder thoroughly with hot water and reassemble. Make sure to inspect for ants or mold growth and clean immediately if found. If you're not getting visitors, move the feeder closer to flowering plants, adjust height or visibility, and try a different branch. Small placement tweaks often solve attraction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.